Hello Conroe High, I'm Maddie and welcome to Cooking with KTIG, KTIG's cooking show. Today we have a special audition episode for you. Our guest chefs from Culinary are going to see who can make the best breakfast sandwich. So stay tuned for our very first episode of Cooking with KTIG. Today we'll have several culinary students make a breakfast biscuit using a small selection of ingredients. Let's see who has what it takes to be our next guest chef on Cooking with KTIG. Let's get started with our first guest. Can you introduce yourself and tell us what kind of biscuit you'll be making for us?
Good morning, I'm Robert Slager, and I'll be making a sausage and egg breakfast biscuit today. So first, you gotta heat your pan. This takes a second. Eggs are ready, Give them in a little bowl. Crack them in, one at a time. Yeah, I know. Then you'll give them a little quick whisk. And this will make a good scrambled egg. But if you want it to be good and fluffy, you gotta add a little bit of milk. This will really bring it together. Give that creaminess you're looking for. Just add just a splash. That's plenty. You'll whisk that in too. And then get our biscuits ready. And yeah, those need to be nuked.
You might have to nuke them.
Yeah, I gotta nuke these for a minute. Just one. It's my bad. Yo, nuke. Is this even on?
It's not?
It's not plugged in.
It's not plugged in.
Okay, so first you gotta plug in your microwave. I got it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, never mind. Thank you. And then you can see if your pan's hot yet. It is hot. So then you get your sausage going. You need about 2 or 3. You see, keep them moving. Center of the pan. And then you get your biscuit out, because you don't want that to stay in there and get all soggy.
Great multitasking.
Kind of want to get the grease out of these a little so they can go into the eggs. Kind of give it a little bit of sausagey flavor. Those can stay. Something you never want to do whenever you make scrambled eggs is add salt, so it'll dry it out. Make it like crumbly. But you can add pepper for seasoning. Just a little though. Stir it in. Give it something so it's not just bland. Let's see. These are done, so you can go and take them off. Just let me open this biscuit. You can leave those on for a second. I'll open up your biscuit. These are pretty good biscuits, I'm not gonna lie.
They're pretty what?
So these are pretty good biscuits. My bad. And then stir this around. Put a couple sausages on there. Just I only need one. You put in your eggs. You want to keep those moving. If you're trying to make an omelet sort of thing, you want to scramble it first so it gets fluffy. I keep that off to one side till it looks something kind of like this. And you'll flatten it out. You'll just let it cook for a second. Get it to combine. But you want to keep it off the edges so you can get it easy to flip later. Keep it from sticking too bad. And then once it's together, you can go and flip it. We'll flip it all. Cook the other side. You don't have raw egg, It's not good. You'll just get really sick. So you gotta make sure your egg's fully cooked. Once it's cooking, you can turn off your pan so it doesn't stay hot. You have it cool down a little while it finishes cooking your eggs. These seem done, so I want to take, biscuit-sized piece of this. Put it on top. It's pretty biscuit. Do we have cheese? Oh, the cheese is over there.
Yeah, it's over here. I'll grab it for you.
Thank you. Now, see? So we're going to take this egg back, actually. Set that down. I'll take this egg back because I forgot we had cheese. We'll put the cheese on top of it. That melt for a little second. But wait for it to melt. It's melted enough. So we'll put that back on. I got a little bit of salt and pepper on top. It's upside down. Then there you have a
Biscuit
finished
number 1.
Biscuit number 1. That's how you make a breakfast biscuit.
Okay. Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, thank you.
I got you. There you go.
Thank you.
There's your half.
Here, you try half.
I'll try this
with
half.
me, yeah.
Let's see how this tastes. Pretty good breakfast biscuit. It tastes like the breakfast biscuit from McDonald's.
Wait, you're kind of right. Homemade McDonald's. Let's get started with the next guest. Can you introduce yourself and tell us what kind of biscuit you'll be making
Hi
today?
guys, my name is Kaylee. We're gonna do eggs. Yup, egg biscuit.
What else is gonna go on it?
Well, I mean,
Or are you just gonna like freestyle it?
yeah,
Oh,
that
okay.
that was the goal.
Okay.
You're just gonna have to wait and see.
Oh, okay, so it's a surprise.
Yes,
Okay.
surprise. Okay, I'm just gonna get started. Hey guys, oh, yup. Is there a trash can?
Yeah,
Is a
it's right
trash
there.
can lovely? Yeah. Hey guys, can y'all tell I'm not great at being on camera? Over the summer, all I would make is just omelets.
So are you making an omelet?
You know what? Yeah,
Oh, okay.
we will be making omelets today.
I've actually never had an omelet.
That's all I would make because that was like all that was in my house. I couldn't think of anything else, and we did not have an oven at the time. But we do now.
Hello?
We didn't have a working oven for years.
Oh, my
Like
God.
for as long as I lived there, up until like the end of the summer. You know, you just gotta measure with your heart for real. Like that's really all that matters. Your culinary teachers will not tell you this, but that's what I was raised with.
What, measure with your heart?
Yes, measure with your heart. Just gonna kind of butter that. Oh goodness gracious! You know what?
And then
We're gonna do what I like to do: smile and pray about it. Yeah.
you got that.
Yeah. There is so much pepper in this.
I don't
Guys, I
know.
promise I can cook. I can survive. Please, I promise.
You're just nervous.
Yes, this is true. Hey guys. So, you know, I joined Culinary last year, and then now since stuff happened, I ended up coming back, and it's been
How
pretty
is-
lit.
How is Culinary? Like, what are y'all doing?
It's actually pretty lit. Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, you have to cook them.
Okay. We're gonna need that at a higher temp. Hey guys.
Okay, once the biscuit's out, you can put the eggs on.
Yes. What was I saying? Right, Culinary. It's pretty lit. If you haven't considered joining, I would consider it if I were you. Wow, it's hot. I keep forgetting my glasses actually. That's really, you know, that's what I do.
They look a little scary, actually. Okay.
If we get food poisoning, we get food poisoning
Hey, what?
together. Bonding. Hey guys, random fact, I've known Maddie since
7th grade.
7th grade.
Yeah.
Ancient times. She's seen me at some very
Oh, some interesting
phases.
points.
We're gonna do a little bit of bacon.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Yeah, get out.
Is that cooked?
Well, I mean, it looks
I don't know what bacon looks like cooked.
No, yeah,
I don't
that's
pay-
definitely cooked.
Okay.
Yup.
Cheese it. Oh, 3, 2. Oh, what?
I put a little strawberry on it.
We're both gonna try a piece. Okay.
It's not that bad. It could have been worse. Are you okay?
Probably like a 4. I don't like sausage that much, so I feel like this one's better.
Can I like keep eating this? I haven't eaten
Go for it.
breakfast.
I'm gonna get
great.
Ava's water.
It's not you, it's me. I have to focus on my future.
Let's get started with our last guest of the day. Can you introduce yourself and tell us what kind of biscuit you'll be making?
I am Michael Cowell, and I will be making sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Okay. First, let's crack our eggs. Oh, wait, let's heat this up first, actually. Is this on? Okay.
I'm not sure either.
Set that there for a second. Just get the biscuit real quick.
You might have to put them in the microwave.
Probably am. I'm
Yeah.
gonna set this right here. Just where's my good? Okay. Just a bit of this. Just like that. It's like that should be good enough. Get that there. Set that there. Just move it around a little bit. Should be good enough butter. Just like that. Get that and pour it in there. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, that should be good. Okay.
Everyone has the same idea, but they're all doing it different. It's weird. Five
That's pretty
remaining.
much good, so I'm just gonna set that right there. Just gonna take this. Okay, that's good enough. One like that, just set that on like that for a minute.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Can I get 2 pieces of cheese or just
Yeah. Is this a quantity over quality situation, or are they both going to be good?
I mean, they're not gonna be stable, that's for sure, but should be both good.
And 4th biscuit. Done. Here. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
I got just cheese. All I could taste was cheese.
Yeah, the cheese kind of overpowered like all of them.
Yeah.
Ava. Well, that's all for today. The winner of today's challenge will be invited back onto our next show coming soon to the KTIG YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed the show, and don't forget CHS, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.